In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a 100% SEO score on vidIQ. First, open your browser and head over to YouTube. Your journey to optimizing your video starts right there on the platform. Once you're on YouTube, locate and click on Content in the menu. This will lead you to a list of your videos, and from there, select the specific video you're aiming to optimize. After selecting the video, you'll notice the vidIQ panel displayed on the right-hand side of your screen. This panel is your best friend when it comes to video optimization. It provides a variety of tools and analytics to boost your SEO score. Now, to move forward, choose a strong keyword. This step is incredibly important as a well-chosen keyword can significantly impact your video's discoverability. To identify the right keyword, navigate to the vidIQ panel and find the hamburger icon. Clicking on this will reveal additional options. Here, select Keyword Inspector. This tool is essential for zeroing in on the most effective keyword for your video. Once there, type in the main topic of your video. It's important to be specific yet concise. After you've input your main topic, vidIQ will present a list of suggested keywords. Your goal here is to pick a keyword that boasts a high search volume but with low competition. This sweet spot is where your video can thrive, making it easier for potential viewers to find. Once you've identified this keyword, simply click Copy Keyword. This ensures you have it ready for the next steps in this optimization process. Now, it's time to integrate that keyword thoroughly across all relevant areas of your video. Go ahead and add it to the title of your video, making sure it naturally fits within the context. Next, weave it into the description. It's crucial for the keyword to appear organically, rather than feeling shoehorned in. Don't forget the tags. They play a vital role in helping YouTube's algorithm understand what your video is about. Another pro tip is to ensure you name your video file with this keyword before you upload it. This might seem minor, but every detail counts when optimizing for SEO. And of course, if you're using captions or transcriptions, which you definitely should be, make sure the keyword is included there as well. By following these steps, you're setting up your video for a higher SEO score, increasing its visibility, and ultimately reaching a wider audience. Remember, the key is consistency and making sure that the use of your keywords enhances the narrative of your video rather than detracts from it. So go ahead and apply these strategies and watch your video climb the SEO ranks.